So, all right. So, we're on Siman 18, and we start with Halacha 5. Okay, and it says, when praying Shemoneh Esrei, one should align his legs so that they are adjacent to one another, in order that they give an appearance that as if they are one. So you put feet together, right? Very together, like tightly together, like they're one, like angels, right? It is an emulation of the angels, right? As it said in Yecheskel, and their legs were straight legs. So their legs in a plural was a straight leg, meaning singular, meaning that they positioned their legs so that they appear to be one leg. Okay, so yes.
Question: does this apply just to Shemoneh Esrei, or any time when we have?
No, only Shemoneh Esrei.
But even when we have to bow, for example, let's say Aleinu, you also have to bow during Aleinu, according to art school.
Okay, we didn't get to it. Yes. You're right, but we didn't get to it. You're right. You see, I forgot. Okay, so let's see. So commentary says, when a person speaks of HaShem, he must to HaShem. So when the person speaks to HaShem, he must divest himself of all physical concerns, thus emulating the angels who are removed from all of the physical things. Mishnah Brura. You understand? So only since angels are closer to HaShem and they can speak, whatever it means, speak to HaShem, so and praise Him. So in some sense, that's what we are doing, right? So they have their legs together. That's what we do. Yeah, go ahead.
If one doesn't have such kavana, and let's say, for example, we mentioned that part in the Mishnah Brura where it says, you have to have all your thoughts only on the first bracha, right?
Yeah,
my question is like this, and he said you can't repeat it. Why? Because you don't know if you're going to have complete kavana the next time.
Exactly.
Does that also apply, let's say, because the other opinion is that you have to focus on the meaning of the words, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say someone, said the bracha, and he forgot if he was remembering the meaning of the words or not. Is he allowed to, in that case, say it again?
No. Uh-huh. The bottom line we say just continue going. So, but continue going, but concentrate on another bracha. So as soon as he caught himself that he was not considering, apply himself to the rest of the brachas.
A question here.
Yeah, go ahead.
The laws of Shemoneh Esrei are to every sidur, for every day, for any case.
Yes.
Because
yeah.
In a sidur I saw online, it has not, for example, the 3-step backs and forward. It has not that indication.
So
I view some sidur on the web, and it has some indications to bend and the knees to bend forward. But for example, the 3-step backs and 3 steps forward, that is not present.
Okay, all right. So that's a quality of the sidur. So sometimes I give you this example. There is a Hebrew only sidur, and it's barely any commentary. It's like a one-line commentary for the whole Shemoneh. It was for people who know.
Oh, so there is a possibility.
But this sidur that we recommended to you, this art scroll, it has all of the commentary, all of the all the detailed commentary. That's why it's so precious. I mean, you just read the commentary and you know this Shulchan Aruch basically. Whatever you need.
Rabbi, question. Are any of the halachas different with Shemoneh Esrei and mussar or no?
No.
Understood. Okay.
No, that doesn't matter. He has this question. So, you have different Shemoneh Esreis. on Shabbos or Yom Tov, we have to different Shemoneh. The only thing, the only different, no, even Rosh Hashanah Shemoneh Esrei is not different. So it's only a longer repetition of the Chazan. It's like 5 times longer, 100 times longer than regular one. But otherwise, it's this laws, whatever we learn, is exactly the same. Okay, let's have it. Okay. Who's there? All right. So we're learning the laws of Shemoneh Esrei. So far we said, or for you, summary. So we said when a person prays Shemoneh Esrei, he has to have these feet together, stuck together. Why? It's like you're emulating angels. Right? When you speak to HaShem, it's like you're emulating angels. And angels, your feet are together like one leg. Okay, how do we know? It's from Yecheskel. Commentary: one's feet should touch both the toe and the heels. Igras Moshe. So it's very important. So, for sometimes, like for many years, I prayed in a place where there was no no next to the wall spot available. So I was like somewhere in the middle. So sometimes it's not like your intention, but people are standing next to you, and you see that they're not doing the right thing. So here it says clearly that your heels and your toes should touch each other. I mean, from one foot to another. Understand? Many people don't do that. I'm not sure why. It's not comfortable. Well, let me put it. It's not comfortable, but that's halach. You understand? Okay. Question or continue?
Yeah. So what does one do when he has to take 3 steps back at the very end, for example, right?
We didn't get to it. Let's leave it. Let's leave it when we get to it. So far, we just start. We start, okay? And of course, if you walk like before you start, you're taking 3 steps back, 3 steps forward. But when you finish this 3 steps forward, that's how you end up. You line your feet, heels touching, toes touching. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead.
Why do you take 3 steps back and not like 4 or 2?
Oh, okay. So there is few explanations. So one explanation is like it's from what was it called? From Moshe Rabbeinu. That's what he did. Right? He did 3 steps back and 3 steps forward when he went to Mount Sinai. Second explanation, I think it's about Achashverosh. It's a famous story about Achashverosh. Just a summary. I'm going to skip details. Summary that Achashverosh, he was not. I think he was a king, or he was a soifer of the king, and the big miracle happened in Israel for King Tzidkiyahu. Right, HaShem stopped the sun. So, and it was evident around all of the world. So everybody knew, right? And because of that, so this Achashverosh also, Shemoneh Esrei, right? So to make his name be erased, right? So what did he do? He said, I have to write to like a letter or to this king Tzidkiyahu, praising him, like if HaShem did such a big miracle for him, so he's a special person. And he said, Shalom to King Tzidkiyahu, Shalom to a Jewish nation, and Shalom to your God. And he wrote all these praises for congratulations for your recovery. So he recovered from disease. Okay, so he sent this letter, and this the guy who was writing the letter and says, Your Majesty, do you really believe this God of theirs, of Jews, anything special? Like compared to our idols? He said, absolutely. What are you, normal? Of course, he's a true God. So he said, Your Majesty, so why would you put him in the end? He said, you're right. Stop the delivering him. And he stood from his throne and took 3 steps forward. And because of these three steps, so Hashem gave him what? 70 years of 70. So he was the most powerful king in the world for 70 years. For what? For these 3 steps. So to undo these 3 steps, we do 3 steps back and 3 steps forward. But our sages explain. Just look at that. Just for these 3 steps, in honor of HaShem. That's all he did. 3 steps in honor of HaShem. How big reward that he get? This Rasha, and he was Rasha. They don't think he was big tzaddik. And our sages say, just imagine for once, if you can imagine. It's impossible to imagine how big the reward is waiting for every Jew for a little mitzvah that he does, and praises before he eats apple and after he went out of the restaurant. You understand? So that's for us to remember. So here we go with 3 steps. All right.